Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the account section. Not only add, but also I'm going to show you how you can remove it. So firstly go to the add account, then select Google, of course. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Oh, you don't have to even select this. Surprise. You have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. Like if you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't want to enable it, just disable this feature here and then tap accept. An account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, select here and tap remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.